Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good
Hey guys,
time
welcome to the video. We are going to the Banjara market today. I was thinking of going to Banjara market for a really long time now, but then the corona happened and the lockdown happened. But now that the lockdown is over, I thought, why not? Now, this is the first time I got out of my house since the corona happened, and I booked an Uber to Banjara market, and I was really surprised to see that they were taking all the precautionary measures. The driver handed me sanitizer as I entered the cab. He was wearing a mask, and there was this protected sheet between driver's section and my section. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Now, this was my first time to the Banjara market, and as soon as you enter the Banjara market, you see that they have this whole lot of crockery items and some really pretty planters. It is not one of those organized markets, but I'm assuring you guys it's really worth coming here. The stuff they have is really amazing. The market was filled with these serving plates, these serving bowls and pickle jars, and if it has to do with the crockery, you'll find each and everything here. In the crockery items, there was a lot of furniture here. I particularly liked the TV cabinets and these side tables. They were really modern looking. And you guys, how cute are these planters in shape of a cup? They also had these watering cans. I think that is what it is called. You can water your plants. You can put in some fake flowers and use it like a decorative item, or you can always plant some real plants in it. The Banjara market was filled with these metal wall hangings, and you can hang it over your bed in the bedroom or in the living room, and it is going to look amazing. I have seen these metal wall hangings over Amazon, and there is this website named The White Teak which has some really good decor stuff, but usually they are really pricey, and here you are going to find it at a really cheaper rate. But guys, it really does depend on how good of a bargainer you are, so you really do have to bargain. But guys, now that the times are so difficult, I wouldn't recommend you to bargain way too much, because these are also the poor people and they have to earn a living. Now, as the market was filled with these crockery items, I ended up buying a lot of them, and I particularly liked these serving bowls which were in shape of a kadhai, and I got two of them in different sizes, and I got it for 200 rupees. Look at this cute little teapot, you guys. It reminded me of Aladdin's lamp. And for this wooden carved Buddha, they quoted me a price of 400 rupees. There are some items in the Banjara market which look really old and rustic, but they can always polish it and paint it for you. They even paint it in the color that you want to paint it in. Look at these mirror, guys. They are looking so old, but they can always paint it for you. So I bought a circular shaped mirror from here, which is really in nowadays, and I got it painted in a fuchsia color. I kind of liked this plain, and I thought of painting it myself, but the shopkeeper was quoting some 800 rupees for it, which was really expensive for it, but because it looked really worn out, so I ended up not buying it. Really modern looking TV cabinet, so I ordered one from here for 4300 rupees. They said that they will deliver it to me within 2 days because they had to polish it and paint it. I also had a word with the shopkeeper, and he told me that you can show them the design and they can build the furniture for you in that particular design. I also bought 3 Buddha heads. One was in fuchsia color, one was in magenta pink, and one was in white color. I have placed it in my house together, and it looks really cool. This eagle eating a snake is kind of scary to me, but yeah, they really had this antique looking furniture and decor items and some statement pieces. Buying things from Banjara market, you will come across pieces which are broken and defective, so you have to be really careful before buying it, and I will recommend you guys to check it thoroughly before buying it. I went to the Banjara market in the afternoon at around 12, and it was really hot and really sunny, and I ended up not exploring the market as much as I wanted to. So I would recommend you guys to go to the Banjara market at around 4 or 5 when the sun is setting and it is not so hot over there, because there are no markets, no shops, no cafes over there nearby where you can sit. Now, Banjara market had this wide variety of stands over which you can put your plants. Now, I absolutely love this idea because living in places like Delhi where there is no space, this can be a great solution. You can probably put it in the corner of your room or in your balcony, and it is going to look stunning. These plant stands in Amazon are worth 2 to 3,000 rupees, and the shopkeeper quoted me 1500 for these, and the quality was very nice. For these golden metal circular thingies, the shopkeeper quoted me around 300 rupees per piece, and I ended up getting it for 120 rupees per piece because I was buying 6 or 7 of them. I am thinking of hanging all 7 of them over one wall, which is blue in color. Let's see how it turns out. There was this one shop in particular towards the end of the market which had wide variety of lanterns, probably in which you can put some candles or some fairy lights, and it also had a real good variety of hanging lamps. The shopkeeper was quoting 1000 rupees for these lanterns, but they were really old, so I didn't buy it. I also came across a shop which had some really huge spoon and forks. I really just loved it. I was thinking of hanging it over my kitchen wall, but because I came in a cab, I just couldn't buy it. I would really recommend you guys to come in your own car if you have to buy these big items, or probably you can get it delivered to your house. This was my first time to the Banjara market, and I just absolutely loved it. If you haven't visited the market yet, I would recommend you to visit this market. You can really find some good decor items, and that too at a very reasonable rates. Please let me know if you want another vlog on what all I bought from the market. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.